Here we've got OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, enroll the list of all apps, go to settings then, and locate customization right here. And pick the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. It can be your own photos, Bira, Canvas, or shot on OnePlus. You can also choose one from default pictures. Here you've got them. And also you can check how they look on your screen. So let me choose, for example, this one. You can also pick any other for your lock screen. And then tap on save. Wait a couple of seconds, and from now on you've got this brand new pictures on both lock and home screen. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.